everyone, this is Lindsey Johnson here, and this is week 3. I decided to do my project on Phil Spector and the Wall of Sound. To give you a little bit of background on Phil Spector, he was born in 1939 and graduated in 1958, where he joined a band called the Teddy Bears. The band only lasted for about a year, but in 1960 he decided to go into record producing. He worked with everyone from John Lennon, Tina Turner, the Beatles, the Ramones, and the Crystals. He's most known for his recording technique called the Wall of Sound. The brilliant recording technique, the Wall of Sound, originated in 1960 at the Gold Star Studios. It's a layered, dense sound that compiles a bunch of recordings of acoustic and electric guitars. Sometimes he would use brass within it too. He would play these in an echo chamber, where then he would re-record them, leaving a reverberant field. To give you guys a little bit better of an idea of what I'm talking about, here is a video that I found on YouTube to explain it.
The Wall of Sound is a function of this studio. There's no doubt about it. The Studio A at Gold Star. The echo chambers never made the sound acceptable. They enhanced the sound, but the fact that the room was filled with musicians, and it is a small room, everything bounced off of, and we got all of this meshing going on, you know. And then you added the chambers to it, and so you got this sound that all became this wall. It was a room saturation. We had it all melded together in the room. And of course there was one other ingredient that helped make it the Wall of Sound. A minor ingredient, but still meaningful. And that's Phil Spector. I mean...
Great example of the Wall of Sound would be Baby Be Mine by the Ronettes or Da Do Run Run by the Crystals. One of the major albums that he used this technique on is Let It Be by the Beatles. This technique was later picked up by Ryan Wilson in the Pet Sounds and the Smile Band airs. Still to this day it is being used across the world, and it is one of the best known techniques to that air. I've heard a lot over the years and in class about the Wall of Sound, but it wasn't now until I researched it that I figured out how truly incredible it is. It's absolutely impossible to duplicate the sounds and make them again as if they were back then, especially now digitally, but I hope to one day to get a chance to try it.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness,